Hi everyone, and thanks for checking out my channel. I'll be looking now at natural gas and having a look at what happened last week and also what we can expect for next week. For last week, so we had the contract rolled over on the 28th. Yes, 28th happened here. So we can see that we quickly went down and touch the trend line. So if we go and draw some channel like this from the opening was a 187 and the last close on the 4 hours chart, which is like this. We take that channel and move it here. We can see that it did spike lower, but that trend line did actually hold, and also we did protect the higher low setup. That is confirmation of the reversal. So most important, we didn't set higher high yet, but we have higher high here at 196, and now we have a higher low. I would have been staying on the previous contract around 164. Potentially here we probably dropped around 166, so safer above. So yes, to me, reversal still in progress, not invalidated, and looking forward, I think we are getting closer and closer to something interesting with the Bollinger Bands reducing. We still working the $2 resistance that, in my opinion, will break out next week. As we can see, attempts being rejected, but there's no follow through on every sell-off following the rejection. And the latest one was on Friday, and it did drop to 188, but no follow through, breaking that trend line. So that trend line has been actually taking the 1 hour chart. So we can see from here to there, it protect that point. We might expect a bit more move down earlier next week, but I expect accumulation to continue against the $2 figure and the breakthrough for end of next week, or by the end of next week, but potentially earlier than that. Can have a look at the quote report as well for that period of time. So it was including the rollover of the contract, so mainly quite a large move down from that point here to here. Looking at the quote report, we had open interest dropping, so again I don't believe that move down was anything significant. We can see that the managed money keep on adding long, so they are positive, net positive long now, which is the first time for quite a long time. It's been a year ago last time they were positive. To me, still no changes. They keep accumulating for a major breakthrough to happen in the coming weeks. We can also see the swap dealers, they continue to edge their position as well, adding shorts. They're almost getting net short on natural gas, which is also noticeable. For it's been quite a long time that wasn't the case. Here they might drop under zero. Well, actually they're near the limit, because they usually don't actually go negative. So we will see how they play this in the coming days, weeks. But to me, definitely positive. When I increase on the larger time frame, let's say the daily, we are clearly now, to me, in an uptrend between that range and this. Can keep dropping much lower and not invalidating that the trend. And should we not break through here and invalidate that break, would expect potentially some more consolidation between 2 and 1.8, and some more reducing movement under 2 before we do actually break higher. Of course, the first objective will be 2.15 when the 200 MA will run, but I don't believe that itself can actually hold the move to go much higher. It will definitely break through. That's my conviction. So yes, definitely trading this, holding on long position here. Might be edging should we break under that trend line, just to protect the trade and limit the drawdown. Potentially, but not staying in that short position for very long. So keeping it and selling it as soon as we reach any significant support line, because I don't believe shorting that market now is a good thing to do, and it will not be successful as it's been over the last few months. So definitely having a bullish bias on this, and yeah, hopefully it will work out, and we'll check that next week. And until then, safe trade, and speak to you soon. Bye.